In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a few treatment techniques if you're experiencing vaginismus, which is essentially a pelvic floor spasm around the muscles that are the gatekeepers of the vagina. So these are all the superficial muscles of the pelvic floor, and you can see they are intimately connected with the clitoris and the vaginal opening. So if someone's having involuntary spasm or contraction during attempted entry or penetration, that can increase tissue friction and make the tissue feel a little irritated along with the nerves that supply this area. So we'll do a couple of external treatment techniques. Another condition that might cause these muscles to tense up both externally or superficially and internally is something called vulvodynia, which essentially means pain of the vulva. And that can be anywhere of the vulvar tissue, which is essentially everything that you see here in between the inner and outer labia, clitoris, basically to perineal body is the vulva, and the vaginal opening is the vaginal opening. So vulvodynia and or vestibulodynia, which is pain on the inside of the inner lips in this what we call the vestibule that essentially houses the urethra and that tissue that surrounds the inner lips around the vaginal opening, that can be sensitive. And so we want to desensitize, help improve circulation, work on coordination and relaxation of these tissues to reduce pain and discomfort. And we use manual therapy as one tool, but we also use dilators, which are vaginal trainers or dilators. They come in different sizes, they're cylindrical, they're flexible, and this is a home treatment program that somebody could use as well to help increase flexibility and comfort with insertion. I also like to offer this if they're partnered, to get their partner involved as much as possible to help build safety and reduce muscle guarding and to experience pleasure. Because of course, when something hurts, all the muscles tense up, sex is not pleasant, and that can really have an impact on your sexual appetite and libido and desire, and even your ability to orgasm. So this is what these techniques are for. And these are just a few examples. It's not everything we might do in a session, but just to give you an idea. And all treatment is always tailored to the individual, their goals, their needs, their comfort level, and ongoing and affirming consent throughout. So I use a little bit of massage cream because we're going to do external manual therapy.
Cut. We're going to stop right there. YouTube is probably going to ban me if we continue. But don't worry, head on over to Patreon to get the full uncensored version.